My name is Trun Reddy. I'm the founder of Reddy Media, and we help grow construction companies all across the United States. A lot of the contractors that come to us, or you in this case, might be generating leads online, whether it's through your website, some sort of paid advertising, social media, or maybe you're buying them from some sort of third-party seller. A lot of the times you'll get leads, but you'll have a hard time turning them into paying customers. There's typically 3 reasons as to why this happens. One is you're simply not reaching out to the leads fast enough. After 10 minutes, the lead becomes extremely cold, and it's unlikely that you'll get them. 10 minutes is that sweet spot. If you can reach out to them, it's fresh on their mind, and they're most likely to engage in some sort of sales conversation. Number 2, your communication doesn't match the lead's expectation. And so this is where they basically filter you out of the contractors that they want to work with, just because the way that you responded, the way that you texted them, if that doesn't meet their expectations, then they're definitely not going to pick you over their contractors or construction companies. Number 3, last but not least, is that you're not qualifying the leads. If you're chasing every single lead that you get without some sort of filter, some sort of qualification process, and because of that, not spend enough time on the people who are serious about getting your services. Now that we talked about the 3 problems, let's kind of talk about the solutions and what you can do. If you're a smaller construction company, I would set up something like Google Voice. It gives you a different number so that if somebody calls that number, it then redirects that phone call to your personal number, and then you can put that business number across the website, across your paid advertising. Another tip is that you want to send automated text messages or emails, ideally both, to the customer. If you're not able to reach out in 10 minutes, at least you've acknowledged the customer and you've left them in a neutral state where obviously they haven't talked to you yet, but you haven't done anything to kind of rub them the wrong way or turn them off as a customer. We recommend the closer framework, which is clarify why they're there, label them with the problem, overview their past experiences, sell them the vacation, enforce their decision, and then reinforce their decision. If you reach each milestone one after the other, your chance of closing the sale goes up tremendously. A lot of big sales organizations use it, and I would highly recommend it. And then for number 3, which is qualifying your leads, you should know kind of the time frame of when they're looking to get this done. You should know their address so that you can see the home. When's the best time to reach out to you? Do you prefer text, email, or phone call? Because again, some customers prefer one and not the other, so knowing that is useful. Understanding, how old the home is, understanding their budget. Have to be very disciplined about who you're serving and the types of customers you want, because the work you do for that customer is going to be marketing for the next customer. And so if you're working with a bunch of customers you don't want, that's not going to help you gain the customers that you do want. By improving your response time, your professionalism, the way you communicate, your sales process, you'll close more deals, save more time, and ultimately have a higher return on your marketing. You'll be able to invest more in your marketing because it's making you so much more money. The best way to grow a construction business is to attract high-value customers who really value your expertise and will refer you business consistently. If you have any questions or are looking to grow your construction company, definitely check out Reddy Media in the description box below. We'll be happy to help you out. We offer free strategy and consultations, so take advantage of that, and I'll see you in the next video.